First of all, you're gonna need the SAWZALL. That's what we're gonna do. We use a SAWZALL to cut the surrounds out. A skill saw with a wood blade to cut different holes in the floors and the wood that you're gonna need to support the tub with. And then of course the drills, you'll need the drill for several different things. A skill saw with a masonry blade on it, and that's for cutting your fiberglass and your panels and your wall panels. And then you'll need your levels, a 4-foot level for the longer jobs, and then the 2-foot level for the shorter places you'll have to get into. A grinder, especially if you're doing the rainfall faucet, you have to cut the tubings off a little bit. And then the oscillating saw, you need that for cutting the baseboard when you're putting your skirt up. And I always use a hot glue gun. It helps put your support boards up. It holds them in place until you can get your screws in them.
Prior to doing any demolition, you want to shut off the water or shut off the main supply line to the home. You want to start off by removing the existing bathtub, and if it's a one-piece fiberglass unit, also taking down the existing walls. After demolition, now you can go ahead and remove the current water valve that's in place. Once you've done that, you can install cutoffs and turn your water supply back on and check for leaks.